Hi, I'm Abigaile Ressler,
I'm Cierra,
and we're from the Royal FFA chapter. Today we're presenting our project on effective integrated pest management on poinsettia shorefly populations. The purpose of this project is to find an effective way to control the populations of Scatella stagnalis, which is commonly known as the shorefly. To start this project off, we went into a greenhouse with 10 tables and we measured every 12 inches and taped off the tables, creating squares on every table. We then placed the poinsettias in a checkerboard pattern and then strategically placed the traps 6 feet apart from each other, going yellow, ribbon, and blue. After the experiment was concluded, we found that the ribbon traps had collected the most amount of shoreflies.
Our hypothesis is that shoreflies will be more attracted to brighter colors than dull colors. This would result in the yellow traps collecting more shoreflies than the blue or the ribbon traps. The ribbon traps are a brownish color.
The materials used for this project is a greenhouse, 10 tables, Scotch tape, a Sharpie, a tape measure, and then this trap right here is called the sticky aphid white fly trap, but we call it the yellow trap for short. This trap right here is the sticky fly strip catcher, but sticky trap, but we call it the blue trap.
The way that we did the experiment is we marked and taped every 12 inches going horizontally and vertically. We then placed the poinsettias in a checkerboard pattern, skipping every other square. Then place the traps in an alternating pattern every 6 feet, going ribbon, yellow, then blue.
Throughout this experiment, we did research the shorefly, and we found out that the shorefly is commonly mistaken with the fungus gnat, but the way to tell the difference between the two is that the shorefly has 5 distinctive white spots on their wings, and the fungus gnat doesn't. We also found out that the female shorefly can lay up to 300 eggs, but will only lay them in areas with high moisture and algae. And then the shorefly isn't really dangerous to plants unless it transmits diseases onto the plant, but the shoreflies do leave frass behind on the plants. Frass is their fecal matter. It is unappealing to the eye, and for ornamental plants like the poinsettia, frass can make it not sell.
So after the experiment was done, we then collected the data to get all the numbers of the amount of shoreflies on each trap. The ribbon trap collected 100 shoreflies, the blue trap collected 18, and the red traps collected 84, which means the yellow trap collected the most flies. Although we were only doing this experiment on shoreflies, it also collected 6 other insects in total.
After the data was reviewed, it showed that the ribbon traps collected more shoreflies altogether, with the total amount being 100 shoreflies. The blue traps collected 18 and the yellow traps collected 84 shoreflies, which proved our hypothesis wrong because we thought that shoreflies were attracted to brighter colors, resulting in the yellow traps collecting more shoreflies. But because the ribbon traps collected more, it proved our hypothesis wrong. We would also like to say a special thank you to Colton Ingram, Melissa Ingram, Lynn Euler, Landon Arnell, and Jeff Stetler for helping us with this project.